Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not downloading. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent downloads. Next, a simple restart of your computer or device can often resolve temporary glitches. Finally, it's always a good idea to check the official Roblox server status page. If their servers are experiencing issues, you might just need to wait a few minutes or hours for them to resolve it. These initial steps are quick and often surprisingly effective. Moving on, if the initial steps didn't work, let's try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Accumulated data can sometimes interfere with downloads. After that, a clean reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall Roblox from your system, making sure all residual files are removed. Then, visit the official Roblox website to download the very latest installer. Reinstalling from a fresh download can fix many persistent problems. Sometimes, security software can mistakenly block Roblox. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus program to see if that resolves the download issue. If it does, remember to add Roblox as an exception to your security settings afterward. Also, ensure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated systems can cause compatibility problems. Finally, always run the Roblox installer as an administrator to grant it necessary permissions for a smooth installation process. For persistent issues, consider trying a different web browser for the download, as browser-specific problems can occur. Resetting your network settings to their default configuration can also clear up any hidden network conflicts. Make sure no other demanding applications are running in the background, consuming bandwidth or system resources. If you've tried all these steps and Roblox still isn't downloading, it's time to reach out to Roblox's official support team for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.